I welcome you all. The topic discussed is projection of straight lines when the line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. The question given is a straight line AB 50 mm long is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and parallel to VP. The end A is 25 mm above the HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of the straight line. It is given the line is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and parallel to VP. So, the position of the given straight line is the line is parallel to one plane and inclined to the other plane. Also, it is given the true length of the straight line AB is 50 mm long and the end point A is 25 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. The line AB in space is of true length equal to 50 mm. The end A is 25 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Position of the given straight line is the straight line is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and parallel to VP. The front view of this line A dash B dash is seen on VP where the point A dash is 25 mm above XY. The line A dash B dash is inclined at 30 degrees to XY and the length of the line A dash B dash is equal to true length equal to 50 mm. The top view of this line AB is seen on HP. The line AB is parallel to XY and also both the points A and B are 20 mm distance from the reference line XY. Now, let us draw the projection of the given straight line. Take A3 sheet, draw margin on all four sides. Write the question number. In the bottom right corner, write all dimensions are in millimeter. The question given is a straight line AB 50 mm long is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and parallel to VP. The end A is 25 mm above the HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of the straight line. First, draw reference line XY. It is given point A is 25 mm above HP. So, the front view of the point A, that is A dash, is 25 mm above XY. From reference line, measure 25 mm, mark the point A dash. This point A dash is 25 mm above XY. Also, it is given the point A is 20 mm in front of VP. So, top view of the point A is 20 mm below XY. So, again, from the reference line, measure 20 mm, mark the point as A. This point A is 20 mm below XY. So, here both the points A dash and A lie in the same projector. Now, draw a parallel line to XY from A dash and also a parallel line to XY from A. Now, the question is given the line AB is inclined to HP, that is theta is equal to 30 degrees. So, take a protractor, keep the protractor on the reference point A dash, measure 30 degrees and draw an inclined line. This inclined line measures an angle of 30 degrees. Also, it is given the true length of line AB is equal to 50 mm. So, take a scale, measure length, true length of the line AB 50 mm, mark the point B dash. Now, here the line A dash B dash is inclined to XY. The angle is 30 degrees. And the length of this line A dash B dash is equal to true length of the line AB equal to 50 mm. Now, it is given line AB is parallel to VP. So, take a scale, from the point B dash draw a perpendicular line to XY. This line cuts the parallel line from A at a point B. So, mark the point B here. So, here the line AB is parallel to VP and this line is the top view of the given question. Now, darken the answer. A dash B dash is the front view and AB is the top view. Now, here AB is the top view length. If you measure, it is equal to 43 mm. So, the top view length of the line is equal to 43 mm. So, whenever the line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP, the front view shows the true length and top view shows the apparent length, that is reduced length. Here the front view length is true length equal to 50 mm. The top view length is equal to 43 mm. It is less than the true length. So, this is the answer of the given question. In the drawing sheet, when you draw the answer, it must represent like this. Thank you. Wish you all the best.